Hello YouTubers, today I am reviewing and unpacking Lenovo V15-IIL 2020 model. I bought it from net for 6,000 Swedish kroner. I was looking for an economical laptop, and the specifications for this laptop is it has a i5 processor, 10th generation, 8 GB DDR4 and 256 gigabytes of SSD RAM, SSD hard disk, and it has an operating system Windows 10 Professional. So let's open it. So here we have some safety and warranty guide. It's a very nice looking laptop. Nice build. So here it is. Looks really nice. And what I will do is I will use it for a couple of weeks, and then I will share the review on how this laptop acts or how it behaves, when I run some games or programs on it. Thank you. Bye.